Hi everyone, today I will be making some energy soap. I'm using Aroma's fragrance Energy. It smells a little bit citrusy and quite fresh. I have made this before in a soap quite a long time ago. I am pretty sure it does accelerate a little bit for me, but we'll see how we go today. It's really windy outside, so there could be a little bit of noise on the video because of the wind, but hopefully it won't be too bad. I've just got my oils heated up at the moment. They are around 100 degrees, which is 37.9 degrees Celsius, which is a little bit hot, but because it's been so cold, I've had to heat them up a few times while I've been getting ready. My lye solution is at 28 degrees, which is 83.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not too bad. And by the time I give it a quick blast with a stick blender and put the lye in, we should be right to go. My lye solution is goat's milk, distilled water, and my caustic soda. And I'm just going to pour that in now. And pop that out of the road. Now, my colours for today are Tuscan Sun and Lime Spider. I'm going to do some titanium dioxide and hopefully do some mica lines with bronze sparks if it all goes as planned. And I'm just going to be using my loaf mould for this one, so I'm just going to put that up there. And I'll give this a quick blast with this blender. Don't want it to get too thick at the moment. Most of my mixtures actually do get really thick far too quickly because I do a water discount, and with the goat's milk it just seems to accelerate a bit fast. And I'll grab another paper towel because I will make a mess. Now I will put some into the Lime Spider and the Tuscan Sun. I'm planning to do a in the pot swirl with those two, and the rest of my mixture titanium dioxide. I'll leave that to the side and just mix these through because I don't want them to accelerate too quickly. There we go. Just show you that colour. It's pretty cool, Tuscan Sun. It's a really nice colour. And with Lime Spider, it should work really well together. Just going to move that out of the road. Move these out of the road, just so I've got some room. And for the titanium dioxide, I will need to stick on this. Just mixed up my titanium dioxide with a little bit of water. And because I think the fragrance will accelerate, I'm not actually going to stick blend anymore, cross fingers. And I'll just move all of these out of the road. Because even now, just with the titanium dioxide, it's starting to thicken. So just put our mould there for you. And pour our fragrance in there. I'm going to leave some for the two colours. It does smell really quite fresh, so it should be a nice soap to use. Now, hopefully I can measure out half of this. Like a bit of texture in it, but I don't think it's going to happen today because it's still quite runny. Got my other spatula and put the rest of my fragrance in. I can't believe how well this has behaved at the moment. Normally, most of my soaps get really thick far too quickly and I end up rushing them. I made a soap last week which was magnolia and jasmine. It was an aroma fragrance and it accelerated and riced so quickly that I didn't have time to do anything at all. So here we go, we'll just pop those together and I will give this a turn through. Now, it has set up pretty quick, which probably means this one has set up. I'll just stir through. We should be right. There we go, that looks pretty cool. And now for another layer. There we go. And now to carefully put this on top. It has thickened up, but definitely because of the titanium dioxide. And the fact that I stick blended this. So hopefully I can get this on without it breaking through. I might just scoop it on very carefully. Now I will texture the top. Something pretty simple. I will bring you down a little bit closer, just so you can see it. and I will leave this on the bench for 24 hours and I'll bring it back for the cut. Hi everyone, it's been just over 24 hours and I have unmolded my energy soap. It smells fantastic and I can't wait to cut it and see what it looks like inside. I've marked off my intervals and I'm just going to use my Mica box. And it has dragged through just a little bit with a knife, so I may just leave this for a little bit longer and start cutting the bars in about an hour or so, but I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I'm back for take two. I'm putting my knife into some hot water, so I'm hoping that that makes it easier to cut through. I really like making this video on energy fragranced goat's milk soap. Thanks for watching. Bye.